Alright, part 2. The human powered honey extractor. And now it's apple grinder. There's my boy Spence, the human power chain, sprockets, grinder. And we got 4 or 5 speeds here. We're going to drop a couple apples in here and get the results going here. Spence, you want to provide some human power there, bud? Alright, here we go. Don't try this at home. We are trained professionals. Whoa! Ate that baby right off. Let's try another one. You ready, Spence? Whoa! Number 2. Whoa! And we have applesauce. Yes, we have applesauce.